YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Rob, Spray or Splash Fragrance Reviews. I've got a brand that I want to bring to you guys for those that are really into getting the most for your money. Stay tuned. All right, so check it out. A couple years back, fellow YouTube reviewer Max40 did a video on a fragrance called Tequila Gold. I tried to cop that fragrance for a minute. I could never catch it. It was always sold out. And then looking through eBay about a month back, I was searching through stuff and it came up in my feed. Man, I grabbed the bottle. Came in the mail. I was very, very pleasantly surprised. All right, so I'm speaking on this fragrance because while waiting for the initial fragrance to come, I saw a few other bottles pop up that I wasn't really aware of. So they've also got one that's called Tequila Noir, and then they've got one that's called Tequila Homme, and sometimes you'll see a package that's Tequila Silver. So while Tequila Gold was on its way, I ordered Tequila Noir and I ordered Tequila Silver or Tequila Homme. And then I also saw one that was listed as Tequila, I'm sorry, drawing a blank. It was Tequila Oud. Wasn't really interested in the Oud fragrance. And then there was also one more that was called Tequila Blue. So I just went with the first three, and wow. Tequila Gold came in the mail, and it was very familiar. But what blew me away was everything. Presentation, from the box to the bottle, all right, to the sprayer, to the juice. It wasn't mind-blowing. I'm not trying to put that out there. It wasn't mind-blowing. It smelled very familiar, like it's on trend with what is current in frag, in the frag world today. It was like a sweet kind of, big, bold type fragrance that is like, it's going to get attention. It reminded me really a lot of Invictus. I don't own Invictus, but I've smelled Invictus plenty of times. Sephora, Dillard's, different places in the mall. Now, memory can be flawed. Somebody could get this fragrance and tell me, hey, it smells nothing like Invictus, it smells like this. I'm not saying with 100% certainty that it smells like Invictus. That's what I kind of thought when I smelled it. But what I can tell you is that it smells very on trend, very current, and a lot of people would like this fragrance. So putting it out there, you need to check out Tequila Gold if you're interested in getting bang for your buck, big time. I think it's one of the best bang for your bucks out there. Now, is it better than like Lalique, or is it better than Cartier or even Bentley? Not saying that. But if you combined the juice, the bottle, and the box, I don't know really who's messing with this brand, Tequila, all right? So I'm not gonna just stop there. I got the Tequila Noir in the mail. It's an obvious clone of Aventus. Obvious, straight up and down. No buts about it. It's a straight clone. But what I can say is that it's a very well done clone, reinterpretation, whatever you want to call it. I got that one for about $42.50. Okay. I've had Glen Perry's, I think it's Unpredictable Adventure. I've had the Zara Aventus clone. I've had Club de Nuit. I have a couple of the Parfums Vintage, and I can tell you it's one of the better Aventus clones. Okay, you be the judge ultimately, but if you don't have anything like that, which I know most people in Fragcom do at this point, and I don't really talk about Aventus on my channel, but if you don't have anything like that, I would really highly suggest you check out Tequila Noir. Okay, now lastly, there's a fragrance. It's called Tequila Homme, and I saw it packaged sometimes as Tequila Silver. That one to me kind of came off like Y by YSL. Again, memory is flawed. I don't own Y by YSL, but I've smelled it plenty of times, and that's what came to mind. You could easily smell Tequila Silver, Tequila Homme, and say, hey, this smells nothing like Y. It smells like da-da-da-da-da, whatever. It could definitely be that. I could be wrong in that regard, but it smells like something else that I've smelled that's popular, mainstream, and a designer fragrance. So all I'm trying to say, guys, is that this brand is a brand you need to check out. I copped every bottle on eBay. Again, the price ranges from like $32.50 to like about $45. I've also seen I've seen a couple on like Fragrance X, and I think I may have seen the Tequila pour Homme on Fragrance Net. I can't remember for certain, but they're out there and they're definitely on eBay all day long. So hey, this is a brand you guys need to check out. Here's a quick show of the bottles. I'm going to have everything, showing here and there of the bottle, the box, and some of the notes that are listed, so you guys will get like everything. And you can do your own research to make an informed decision, but I don't really feel like you would lose in picking up one of these fragrances. Honestly, if you had to start someplace, I would say start off with Tequila Gold or get Tequila Noir. Tell me what you think. If you know anything about these fragrances, if you want to check one of them out, they're so cheap. Cop one, tell me if I'm on point. I think that I'm dead on with this, and I think a lot of people are going to like this. I'm not trying to start any hype, but from packaging to bottle to sprayer to juice, and all the juices in this collection have average to slightly above average performance. So at 32 to 40 something bucks, I mean, it's really hard to beat these fragrances. So that's all. Hey guys, if you've never subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. Very humble, aspirations. And I thank you for checking the videos out, for coming back. Hit that bell for notifications. Stay safe. I'll talk to you later. Peace.